So if we are talking about cycle chemistry, I mean, subsequent, we did talk about the detrimental effect, the safety side of things, for example. You're looking at stress corrosion, you're looking at deposition leading to hotspot, for example. They're also acting as nucleation sites for corrosion. But these are all safety-related parameters or the longevity-related parameters. Do you think the water chemistry also plays an important role in the performance parameters, for a plant?
Yeah, so if you talk about, I will go one by one equipment because then it will be very clear for the audience to think about it. So whenever you buy a boiler or a steam generator, what do you expect from that? Any boiler manufacturer commits some performance guarantee to its users. Okay, so if I'm a person selling boiler to you, I will say my boiler will work on this thermal efficiency continuously. It will give this much pressure and temperature steam continuously with this much fuel. Okay. Or I will also say that, life cycle of that boiler will be, it's a lot of performance commitments and warranties come into picture.
Good.
Also, I will maybe commit you heat rate because you want to have an efficient steam generation. So I may commit efficiency as a heat rate. So a lot of when you build a new power plant, a lot of financial calculation goes with that.
You're right.
Okay.
Right.
With this heat rate, this much fuel I will consume, and for so many years I will recover money what I invested in power plant or in boiler. But as water chemistry can hamper this performance, it will take you away from this committed performance guarantee for a boiler manufacturer. Right. Boiler manufacturer starts specifying utility, what he needs.
Right.
So boiler person will say, I need a water with so much purity, conductivity should be less than this much, you need to maintain pH to this level, there should not be any dissolved oxygen, or dissolved oxygen need to maintain in this level.
Correct.
And lot of other silica need to be controlled within this limit. Okay, so lot of performance comes with a condition.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's basically conditions apply for the guaranteed performance.
Yeah. Yeah. So now I talked about boiler. But now you go to steam turbine, which is again second capital investment for any power station. So in turbine, if you take out any steam turbine manufacturer's manual, he will specify what should be steam purity required to guarantee this performance. In terms of so much steam with so much output, megawatt output, that is actually linked. Because if there is a scaling within steam turbine areas, there can be they can narrow down. So flow rates of steam will change. It will reduce mechanical efficiency of that steam turbine. Or if there is a corrosion causing salts like a chlorides or sulfates, and if those are in higher concentration and goes into steam turbine, they can damage steam turbine alloy part because of stress corrosion, which will again go into warranty, issues. And that's why any equipment manufacturer, when it commits something as a performance guarantee, it always applies some condition for input parameters. And these input parameters are not only pressure, temperature, or quantity related parameters for an incoming utility, but also purity of that particular utility which is going in. Same way, when you use this steam on a turbine, you condense it and put it back into boiler, but you want to check it before putting it back that it's not contaminated because of science and research. So performance guarantee is directly linked with this parameter. Only thing is that chemistry parameter doesn't affect this performance in one day. Okay. So effect of scaling, effect of corrosion will take some time. So people don't understand sometimes importance of this parameter. But otherwise, those are very, very critical in terms of performance guarantee.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I understand. I mean, because any equipment manufacturer is actually going to give a warranty or a guarantee to their product, basically, only based on specified operating conditions. Correct. Yeah, and if those conditions are not met, you mentioned that the boiler being the first and the turbine being the second most expensive part of any power plant, there those guarantees become ultra important, I mean, this is not something you can simply ignore.
So I came across even situation where our users bought boiler from one company, steam turbine from another company, and steam turbine manufacturer is saying you cannot use this steam in my boiler unless you meet this conductivity level, cation conductivity, silica and sodium level. So you cannot admit steam into steam turbine even to start your performance guarantee test unless you meet that parameter. Same way boiler manufacturer was saying that whatever condensate is coming, I want to check it. If it's not at that performance, I may not
allow it to go into my boiler, right?
not allow, or even I cannot stand guarantee for my heat rates.
Right.
So it is very becomes a link parameter with a performance guarantee for users of.
Yeah, absolutely.